The number of DMs I get about my hair care routine, I swear I'm not trying to gatekeep. So here I start off with exfoliating my scalp. Unfortunately, I have chronic dandruff. This helps me get that squeaky clean scalp. I massage it into my roots and especially where I feel like I have flakes. And then I go in with oiling. I don't use the oil on my scalp. I use it only at the lengths and the ends of my hair. If you have dandruff, you're not supposed to oil your scalp. Dandruff feeds on the oil. That's why if you ever stop oiling at any point of time, the dandruff comes back so much worse. But because I've gone through 2 chemical treatments, smoothing as well as hair coloring, really need that oil at the ends of my hair. And I just tie my hair and sit with it for about 20 minutes. You should not keep the salicylic acid on your scalp for more than 20 minutes because that over exfoliates and can lead to more flaking. So in the shower, no surprises. Obviously, I go in with a shampoo. I've been loving the 310X range these days. Only issue is that it makes my hair so silky that I'm unable to style it after that. So this routine that I'm gonna do right now, I'm only using the shampoo and conditioner, not the entire range. The shampoo on my scalp, focusing on my roots. I do this twice because that's the only way I get a very clean scalp. Also make sure that I don't use shampoo twice at the lengths of my hair. I don't want to overstrip it because dryness is the main concern. Then squeeze all the water I can get out of my hair and then go in with the conditioner. You don't overuse your conditioner because that can really weigh your hair down. I have a lot of hair, so I need a lot of conditioner. Focus that only on the lengths and ends of my hair and then go in for the final wash. So that is done. I go in with the Redken Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner. It's amazing. It's also got inbuilt heat protection. Go in with a decent amount, running it through the lengths of my hair. Finally, what I do is I go in with a detangling brush. And I start with the knots at the bottom of my hair, working my way up. Also does a really good job in spreading the product all over. That's it. After this, I go in and style my hair the usual way. If you want links to any of the products that I've used in this reel, comment and I'll send them over.